right, snow definitely coming down here at the Iron and Oak Sawmill. Let's get a measurement here. 11 inches. Wow. And it's going to be snow until tomorrow. So that 20 inches is definitely possible. Expecting high winds to show up, so drifting is possible. And yeah, this is going to be good. But it's going to be a while before we can get back on the mill. We got some black walnut waiting there, some maple, and a good pile of sticks here for the Doug fir. Nothing real huge, but good enough for some 4x4s and some 4/4 lumber. So we got a lot of digging out to do. All right, it's about 8 o'clock. Still snowing real good here at the mill. We're gonna get a new snow measurement. It's been about 3 hours since I checked it last. Oh, geez. Get out of my light here. What is that? Let me see. Can't see right. Metal tape measure. Push this down. Oh, geez, 14 inches. Yep, that's what it was. Let me see. Yep, shine your light down there, Deborah. Here I go. I got it.
Yeah.
Yep, 14 inches.
Still snowing.
And still snowing. Yeah, definitely still snowing. We're just going to go check the end of the driveway down here. We've got the snow plows ripping past, and we're whoa.
Whoa.
Yeah, this is deep. Got our spotlight on out here. Also got our headlamps on. Trudge, trudge, trudge. Yeah, we keep reflectors out along the road because the plow has a habit of driving into our front yard and ripping up the front yard. But the snow here at the edge of the road is up to my knees, over my knees. All right, I'm in the road. Wow. That is some deep snow. Our reflectors are doing their job. The plows did not hit them. Our mailbox is about 5 feet from the edge of the road, the edge of the plowed area though. Yeah. Nice.
Sure. We're still gonna get covered.
Do is go along, and Deb's having trouble getting through the plow snow at the end of the driveway. You got it?
Yep.
All right. There we go. We got there might be one buried in there, I think. Just gonna clean off the front some. They've only got about 6 inches to go before they're under the snow. This side is reflective yet. The other side is covered with snow and it's not so reflective, so I'm gonna make sure the plow can see them and stay out of the yard. Yeah, the front yard, they'll drive, the plow goes about 1 foot or more into the yard and just peels up the front yard and throws it in there, and every year I've got to replace it or repair it. So yeah, this one's almost knocked over. Stand him back up a little bit. There we go. And then we got the one down here. Should be the last one. Yeah, if they come through much wider than this, they're gonna get buried. All right, so that's all of them. You can see, nice and reflective up to the end of the road. That's Deb, that bright light. The road's clear for the most part. Only about an inch of snow. The plow just went by. I think we might be missing one in here somewhere. No, I think we're good. I think we have them all. Yeah, I didn't put one that close to the mailbox because of the approach to the mailbox. Yeah, we got a lot of digging just to get the mailbox cleared out. But the wind's picking up. Yeah, this is actually a road here. The plow just came around the corner and shoved it over there. That's a single lane down that road.
It's single a little bit here too.
And this is pretty much maybe a lane and a half. A lot of work to do here. We're gonna have big piles of snow.
They should be plowing that way.
Well, they're just trying to keep a lane open for people to get through, emergency vehicles, so. I think we're pretty close to the end of the storm though. Maybe. Never know with a nor'easter. Can change overnight. All right. Let's make our way back to the house. This is fun. Yeah. It's wow. Okay, I'm standing, my feet are pretty much on the ground here. This is not the plow snow, and it's just about to my knees. So it's definitely 14 inches. So we're getting wow, more than an inch an hour, where we were. It's still coming down good though. We haven't been out, obviously we haven't been out all day. We haven't walked down the driveway at all. Don't fall over, Deb, that'll be way too funny. Back to the house. What? Nope, we're good. Toyota's covered up and it's under the carport. The Ford's definitely covered, it's between the carports. Deb's car is over there under the other one, so. See if we can see the mill around here. Walking into the backyard here. Well, the cat's been running back and forth in here a lot. They got this packed down pretty good. But here's the mill. Yeah. We normally clear all this with the loader. I don't know. It's going to take a while. It's going to take a long while. We also got to clear to the woodshed over there. We got to get firewood in. We stocked up pretty good yesterday knowing the storm was coming, so. But
We made a path for the cat.
Oh, you did this?
No, right here near the trash can.
Oh.
No, the cat's been doing that.
Yeah, they were just running around out here and packed it all down. They got their little trails. They go out from the trailers to the shop, to the trailers, over there to the shop. They go out to the wood stacks, so.
They have plenty of places.
Plenty of places to go for them to stay out of the snow. Including the kitty houses up there. We got some kitty houses down here for them to sleep in. Sometimes they don't want to, they just sleep up top. Like these guys doing. And they're still kind of skittish. They'll still hide from you. So, you guys doing all right?
They're
cool.
Fine.
Plenty warm. They were running around out here playing in the snow earlier.
Hey, babies.
All right, we're gonna go ahead and head on in. I see the smoke from the wood stove coming over the roof, but snow's still coming down. It's only gonna get deeper overnight. Let's see what we have in the morning. Thanks for checking out the video, guys. See you later next time.